Looks like Touch ID might make a comeback for iPhones, but we're still waiting on the headphone jack. We got some new leaks of the Huawei Mate 20, but sadly not the Pro variant. And that Motorola that looked like an iPhone is now official, and it's very cheap actually. I'm Jaime Rivera, and for those of you that complain about my t-shirts making me look like a teenager, think about what my acne does for me as well. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for iPhones, Verizon might probably be your best option because the company has now partnered with Apple Music, so it seems that if you get an iPhone on their Verizon Unlimited plan, you'll be getting 6 months of Apple Music. Notice the conditions, and apparently there are more. You can learn about them in the description. Now let's talk about Microsoft and Amazon. Both companies teased a year ago, that Amazon's Alexa and Cortana were going to merge together and work together. As it stands, it is finally live. If you have an Amazon Alexa device, you can tell Alexa to turn on Cortana. Vice versa as well. If you've got Cortana, you want Alexa to work. Obviously, there are benefits from different assistants. You can learn more about, what you get in the description as well. Now let's talk about Motorola. We've been discussing this Moto device that looks like an iPhone for a bit. It is probably one of the most shameless ripoffs that we've seen in a while, and well, it just became official. $300, specifications are of a premium mid-ranger pretty much, but the most interesting part are two things. Number one, that it's exclusive to China, at least for now. It's called the P30. Number two, $300 for that thing. That is crazy. Let's see if it ever leaves China. And speaking of devices that sound like the P20, let's talk about the Mate 20. Well, at least we're expecting the Pro because this is apparently going to be the most awesome version of this device. Kirin 980 processor with 7 nanometer. That's all great, but the leaks that we have from none other than Evan Blass show us the Mate 20 Lite. We're not exactly sure if the design will be shared or what, but let's see what we get. And finally, the hot news today have to do with Apple patents and the fact that we actually hope that this one works. We noticed that the company has patented a new system that will allow Touch ID to work on displays. This is different to the sensors that we currently see from companies like Synaptics, that we see on Vivo devices. I actually have the Vivo Next there. Let me know in the comments if you want a review on that. This is different. Apparently, there will be some small little holes within the display that will have a camera on each of them, take a photo, and authenticate. Apparently, this is going to be a smarter solution than what we currently see from competitors. But then again, in the comments today, let us know, what do you think? Would you like Touch ID to make a return to displays on iPhones, or are you okay with Face ID? Because in my case, honestly, I've gotten used to Face ID, but it doesn't mean I don't hate it. So I would definitely love a fingerprint scanner back, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel, both in English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.